everybody. I am just gonna do a quick video here. We are gonna go try out our new square baler that we purchased last week. Jim's got all the equipment out. We're planning on haying at the end of the week here, so we just want to get some stuff out and tested. We did buy another 535 net wrap baler, so he's gonna go test that out along with the new Holland square baler that we bought. He's got the rake all hooked up, ready to go. He's got the newer baler hooked up, and yeah, we just want to go through everything. I'm going to go meet him out in the field and see if we can't make a few square bales. So stay tuned. Just to get it up and running, but at least you know it can make a bale. Stay tuned. So once we get the bale tosser and everything all ready to go there, our next project is to fix up this new Holland bale stacker. It's a stack liner 1033. The spout there tips down, and then the bales will come up here. They'll row it, and then this whole table will flip up, and then it'll stack them up. So a few new things on the farm here. Gonna try our hand at square bales. Once this whole thing is full, the deck will flip up. And then there's two rams that'll push the bales off, and then it'll leave you a nice stack. So that is going to conclude my video for today. I just wanted to give you guys a quick sneak peek on what we got going on. I'm pretty excited that we'll be able to offer some square bales this summer. And right now we currently have the hay stacker, and then we have two of those baskets that we can toss bales into, and then eventually we'll probably build a couple of hay racks as well. So yeah, it's going to be a busy summer, but I guess I wouldn't have it any other way. So if you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.